Hey everyone, welcome to Flavors and Fragrance Recipes. Today in my kitchen I'm making Palak Paneer, so let's go. Okay, so first we are going to take some water in a kadhai, and now we are going to boil this water, and then we are going to put our palak in there, and then we are going to blanch it. Now our water is boiling, so now we are going to put our spinach which is cleaned. This is called as blanching method. So now we are going to boil this spinach in this boiling water for 5 minutes. Okay, now so it's 5 minutes now and our palak is boiling nicely, and now I'm going to take off the flame and I'm going to take only the spinach leaves, that is palak leaf, under cold water. I'm going to rinse it and I'm going to keep this little water, boiling water of palak, just to put it in the gravy if I need. Otherwise this blanching method is basically after the palak is blanched, that is boiled in this hot water, you are supposed to rinse it in cold water, or you can even rinse it with ice water. So I'm doing that now. Palak in my cold water, rinsing it like this. You can either do like this or you can just put it in cold ice water also. So now in a kadai we are going to put oil. We are going to put 1 tablespoon of oil, and I'm also going to put 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. And now we are going to start making the gravy for our palak paneer. So let the oil and ghee mixture be a little bit hot. I am using oil and ghee mixture because I like it. The ghee doesn't burn in this situation because I am mixing it with oil, otherwise it would burn on my kadai. Now I am going to put asafoetida, a pinch of hing first. Now after this I am going to put curry patta leaves, or you can put curry patta powder. I normally make curry patta dry roast powder in my kitchen, and that's why I've put that. Now I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of jeera. I'm also going to put 2 black cardamoms. Now let them splutter a bit. Let this whole thing splutter, and I'm going to put 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped garlic. You can put either ginger garlic paste or just garlic. I like garlic. Now let the garlic cook. Let the raw smell of the garlic go, and then we are going to put onions, and then we are going to fry the onions till they are a little light brown. Let's fry this for at least 2 to 3 minutes till the raw smell goes. Now our garlic is ready, and now we are going to put onions. We are using 3 big chopped onions for this, and now we are going to fry these onions till they are light golden brown. I am also going to put some salt in the onions so that they cook a bit faster. That's a tip for you. If you want salt, if you want your onions to cook faster, you have to put a little bit of salt. And now we are going to fry these onions for some time till they are light golden brown. Meantime, now in a mixer we are going to blend our spinach with other things. We are going to put our blanched spinach. Now these spinaches become nice, they look green and it's not hot. I'm going to put even ginger, 1 inch of ginger, 2 to 3 green chilies, and I'm also going to put garlic, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, or you can even put whole garlic. Now I'm going to blend this with little water into a smooth paste. Not really smooth, maybe a bit of a coarse smooth paste. Okay, now as you can see my onions are still cooking. I still want to cook them for another 2 to 3 minutes because they are still a little white. I want them to be light golden brown. Onions are cooked now. Now I'm going to fry my dry masalas. I'm going to put half teaspoon of haldi. I like to fry my masalas before I put my tomatoes. Then 2 to 3 tablespoons of red chilli powder. Now this is as per your taste. You have to put, if you like it more spicy you can, but I'll put 2. Then dhania jeera powder, 2 tablespoons, and then I am going to put little bit of kasoori methi. I like to put the kasoori methi in this because it gets fried nicely. along with the dry masala, and then it's all cooked, and then the flavor and the aroma releases in it. Then I'm going to put half a teaspoon of garam masala. Any garam masala in your house will do, and now mix it. We are going to put little bit of water because the masala is sticking, so we will put the palak water only that is there. We can even put plain water if you have not kept the palak water, no worries. So now this masala I'm going to fry until it releases its oil. So we are going to fry this on slow flame for 5 minutes. Now we'll also put our chopped coriander at this point because it will give a different taste when you put kasoori methi and chopped coriander in this masala. And now I'm going to release this oil for 5 minutes, and then we'll put our chopped tomato. So our oil is released, and now we are going to put our chopped tomato. It's only 1 tomato that I'm taking, so 3 onions and 1 tomato for this. And now I'm going to cook this whole entire mixture till the tomatoes are soft and mushy. At this point we are going to put little salt also now into this mixture, and now we'll mix it. The tomatoes are soft now, and at this point it's been like 5 minutes now. The tomatoes are soft and mushy, and now we are going to put our palak spinach paste that we made in the mixer grinder along with ginger, garlic and green chilies. So let's mix this all. So this is how our spinach is looking now when mixed with all our masala. This is the green color that is still there. See, this is the reason why I have blanched the spinach earlier, because when you blanch the spinach, the color retains, the green color doesn't go. Now I'm going to cook this covered on slow flame for at least 10 minutes, and then after that we are going to put some cream and our paneer. So let's cook this for 10 minutes. It's 5 minutes and our palak is looking like this. We are still yet to put the paneer and cream inside. It has released the oil. Now I am going to put 1 tablespoon of cream in this, and also my paneer. I've cut the paneer into small pieces. You can cut as per your taste and your liking. And now we are going to let it cook for at least 5 minutes till it releases its oil. I've put the remaining cream also. So let's cook it. I'm going to cook this for 5 minutes still on slow flame. Then our palak paneer is all ready. So this is how our palak paneer is looking now. It has released oil, and now we can serve with paratha or roti or tandoori roti. And now I'm going to take it off from the flame. So do try this recipe in your kitchen and let me know in the comments below if you liked it. Try it in your kitchen and do subscribe to my channel, and until next time I'll come back with a new recipe. Till then, it's bye from Dipali.